Hello students, welcome to my channel Mathematics for All. If you just refer to my previous video, I gave you a problem. Like x is equal to 13 plus 2 root 42. Find the value of root over x minus 1 by root x, right? I gave you this problem and I show the solution. I request all of you, those who have watched this video, to try the same problem, a similar problem. X is equal to 8 plus root over of 28, and then you find the value of root x by 1 by root x. Clear? The answer to the solution will be 1 by 6 7 plus 5 root 7. Okay, fine. Now I move on to the move on with this today's video, and today's video will be based on a property of ratio and proportion called Componendo Dividendo, which is A by B is equal to C by D. Then we can say that A plus B by A minus B is equal to C plus D by C minus D. So this property is called the Componendo and Dividendo. Componendo and Dividendo. Just see, suppose 12. Now suppose you take 14 by 6 is equal to 7 by 3. So 14 plus 6 by 14 minus 6 is equal to 7 plus 3 by 7 minus 3. So it is 20 by 8 is equal to 10 by 4. Right now? Clear? So we say this property is called Componendo and Dividendo. I will do 4 to 5 problems on this property. Clear? Copy down till here, then I'll move with the problems. Okay. The first problem says that x equal to n minus square root of m square minus 4n whole divided by n plus m square minus 4n. Then I am supposed to find the value of x square plus 1 into m square minus n square minus 4n plus 2x into m square plus n square minus 4n is equal to what? We are supposed to find the value of this expression. So how will I do? So how will I do this? So first of all, when it is x, I can read it as x by 1. And now I can do, that is x plus 1 by x minus 1 is equal to this plus this. So it will give me 2n by this minus this, it will give me minus 2 m square minus 4n. 2 gets cancelled. If I do the whole square, what do I get? X plus 1 whole square by x minus 1 whole square is equal to n square by m square minus 4n. This implies x plus 1 whole square plus x minus 1 whole square by x plus 1 whole square minus x minus 1 whole square is equal to n square plus m square minus 4n. Divide by n square minus m square plus 4n. So this implies this is 2 into x square plus 1, and then this is 4x for n. So then 2x, right? So I just cross multiply these two. Is equal to 2x m square plus n square minus 4n. This implies 0 is equal to x square plus 1. I took this right hand side, it will become minus. So it will become m square minus n square minus 4n, right, plus 2x m square plus n square minus 4n. I have been asked to find the value of this expression in the given question, which is equal to 0. This is what I have found. So what I used, I use componendo dividendo in this step. X by 1, x plus 1 by x minus 1, the same operation I did here, numerator plus denominator, divide by numerator minus denominator, correct. I arrived at this expression. I whole square it, x plus 1 whole square by x minus 1 whole square, squared both the sides. Again I did componendo dividendo, numerator plus denominator, divide by numerator minus denominator is equal to numerator plus denominator, divide by numerator minus denominator. From here I have just cross multiplied. Fine. Okay. Moving to the next. Copy down till here, all of you. Moving to the next. Second question. X is equal to root 3 by 2. Find the value of so this one I am supposed to find. How am I supposed to do? Again the same thing. I have to bring 1 plus x, 1 minus x. So what I consider 1 here, and I do componendo dividendo. 1 plus x by 1 minus x. So denominator plus numerator by denominator minus numerator. Correct? So I can rationalize this with what? 2 plus root 3 by 2 plus root 3. So this gives me 2 plus root 3 whole square by 4 minus 3. This is 1. Now I take root over of 1 plus x by root over of 1 minus x is equal to 2 plus root 3 root over of a square root by root over of 1. So this gives me root over of 1 plus x by root over of 1 minus x is equal to 2 plus root 3 by 1, isn't it? Now again I do componendo dividendo. Again I do same thing, componendo dividendo. Numerator minus denominator by numerator plus denominator. So what do I have? 2 plus root 3 minus 1 by 2 plus root 3 plus 1. So 1 plus root 3 by 3 plus root 3. Again you rationalize this thing with what? 3 minus root 3 by 3 plus root 3 by 3 minus root 3. So this will give you 1 3, then root 3 into 2, this is also minus 3. Now 1 into minus root 3 is minus root 3. 3 into this is plus 3 root 3. Divide by, this is nothing but 9 minus 3. 3 get cancelled. So this is equal to 2 root 3 by 6, root 3 by 3, or 1 by root 3. Clear? Okay. Copy down. So we are doing componendo dividendo in twice. One is to bring this expression 1 plus x by 1 minus x. 1 plus x by 1 minus x, denominator plus numerator, divide by denominator minus numerator, and then I rationalize this expression. Correct? Once I got this one, root over 1 plus x by this thing, again I did the componendo dividendo here, that is numerator minus denominator, divide by numerator plus denominator, and then finally I arrived here. Okay. Next, question number 3. X is equal to 4 root 15 divided by root over 5 plus root 3. The value of x plus root 20 by x minus root 20 plus x plus root 12 by x minus root 12. I have to find the value of this expression. Correct? Okay. So what do I do? So x divided by root 20 will give me 4 root 5 into root 3 by root 20. I'll multiply here. So what do I have? 4. The 4 into 5 is 2 root 5. So this will give you 2 root 3. Fine. Okay. Now x by root 12, how much we get? X by root 12, it is 4 root 15 by root 12 root 5 plus root 3. This is 4 into root 5 into root 3 by 2 root 3 into root 5 plus root 3. root 3 get cancelled, 2 gets cancelled. So this will give you 2 root 5 divide by root 5 plus root 3. Okay. So I have got x by root 20 is equal to this, and x by root 12 is equal to this. Now I simply do componendo dividendo because I need x plus root 20 by x minus root 20. Copy it down, student, fast. We have to just gear up a bit. Copy down till here. Done, right? Okay. So now x plus root 20 by x minus root 20 is equal to 2 root 3 plus root 5 plus root 3 divided by 2 root 3 minus root 5 minus root 3. So this gives me 4 root 3, 3 root 3 plus root 5 by root 3 minus root 5. And the next one is x plus root 12 by x minus root 12 will give you 2 root 5 plus root 5 plus root 3 by 2 root 5 minus root 5 minus root 3. So this is 3 root 5 plus root 3 by root 5 minus root 3. Correct? Now I add these two, effectively means I am adding these two. So this plus this will give me 3 root 3 plus root 5 by root 3 minus root 5, and here it is plus 3 root 5 plus root 3 by minus root 3 minus root 5. So plus into minus will become minus by root 3 minus root 5. This will give me root 3 minus root 5, 3 root 3 plus root 5 minus 3 root 5 minus root 3. So this is 2 root 3 minus 2 root 5 by root 3 minus root 5. 2 I take common, so it will be root 3 minus root 5 by root 3 minus root 5. Cancel, the answer is 2. Okay, clear? Copy down till. So I have done in each of the problems, you have seen that I have done componendo and dividendo twice to arrive at the desired answer. In the same way, I will request you to solve this problem, that is x is equal to, or okay, I'll solve it for you in the next. Okay, chalo then, this much for in this lesson. With this we will move on to the next one. Thank you for a patient hearing. Hope you are enjoying the class. Hope these videos are empowering you in this subject. Thank you. God bless.